Just wrapped up our live Q&A session for the Ultimate Course Creators Hub, and here's what you missed. We have essentially moved our business from a couple different platforms. We were on WordPress and we were also on the Skool platform, and we have migrated everything over to an all-in-one CRM and online course and marketing platform, which is TekMatix. So excited for this. We did a walkthrough on everything that's included. It is built out on a Go high level platform. So it's much like what, if you're familiar with Go high level or if you're familiar with the Skool platform, it looks and feels very much the same. However, it has a lot more bells and whistles than what you may have been used to in the past. So if you have missed the live Q&A and you are a member inside the Ultimate Course Creators Hub, the download for that will be uploaded into the new online portal probably within the next hour. What we went over inside that video was going through why we moved and lots of different reasons why we moved, but primarily we moved because we wanted an all-in-one solution. So as you know, whether you're a new course creator or you're an experienced course creator and scaling your business, that the more you scale and the more you grow, the more software and tools that you end up needing to be able to use from not only your learning management system, but also everything to market your business, sell your business, and offer additional services. Maybe if you're doing calendar bookings or one-on-one services for your clients, you need lots of different pieces of software to make the whole ecosystem of your business work. From your calendar to your CRM to learning management system to your email service provider. And the more you have, the more it costs you. So that's what we were looking at with your ESPs, your email service providers. The more subscribers that subscribe into your list, the more they charge you for the number of subscribers that you have. So we have moved away from that in TekMatix through the plan that I'm in, the Pro plan. We have unlimited courses, unlimited communities, unlimited leads inside your CRM. All of that is in one place. Plus, it also has your social media scheduler in there, so you can create all of your social media. You can schedule all of your social media, your email, your sales pages, your lead magnets, like everything is in one house. So it's super exciting. It saves you so much time. They also have AI robots in there to be able to help you to build your automations, to build your sales pages, to build your websites. You can also have unlimited websites and unlimited blog sites, all of those under one ecosystem in one house. So inside the new portal, if you're inside the hub or you are a member in one of my other online courses or coaching programs, you're going to find not only the courses, but you're going to find a new community. So through the TekMatix platform, they also have an app where you can be able to access the community in your courses via your phone, just by opening the Kollab app. So if you were to look on my phone, this one here with the K, that is the Kollab app, and you would just click on it and it takes you right into the online courses and the community. So you can just click on community tabs. Here at the bottom, we have the community tab. You would be able to click on the community. If you want to navigate over to the courses, you can see all of the various courses you have access to. And this isn't only what you have access to through me, Shannon Martel, with Visionary Edge Ventures, but it's anybody that you have courses with that is also on the Go Kollab app. That really makes it all in one place. For the courses we have moved over so far for Visionary Edge Ventures, you would then be able to click on it. Say you are a member of for instance, my course, Ultimate Course Creator Toolkit. If you are a member inside that, if you're not, I'll drop the link down below so you can go ahead and get that. You would be able to go right into it and be able to access it at your fingertips and get everything from not only the Ultimate Course Creation Planner, but 2 different workshops in there to help you to be able to implement the planner, as well as a toolkit with various training programs that I've hand selected to help you to be able to implement every single step along the way of the particular planner. Grab that down below. It is linkedge.com/toolkit. If you want to grab that, and I'll put the link below this video as well. The all-in-one CRM, the courses, the websites, the blog site, the sales pages, it's all in one place. You've got your community, you've got your classroom, your resources, and support. If you need help, you can ask me inside of the community. You can ask your members. You can comment whether you're in the community or you're in the lessons. You can make a comment right there, or you can also send me a DM. All of those DMs programs come right into your CRM on Tech, so you can be able to have all of those conversations in one place and not be having to jump all over various platforms and trying to track who you talk to, where you talk to them. All of that is tracked and captured inside of TekMatix. You can see all of your leads at a glance, see where they are in your customer journey, as well as all the conversations that you've had with them and so forth. We'll be continuing to move everything over from WordPress as well as Skool. And once Skool has completely been transitioned, we'll close down our accounts over in Skool. So if you are a Skool member, don't worry. We've already sent you all of the emails over to show you how to be able to log in and access your community, all of your courses, your programs, everything over on TekMatix. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, leave a comment in and around this video, and I will get back with you. But we have 3 different levels now in our hub and our membership community. So you can start as little as $27 a month, and that's going to give you 5 different courses to help you to be able to plan out your profitable course topic, to help you validate that course topic and how to pre-sell that course topic before you even create a single lesson. It helps you to be able to do that. It gives you all the tools, all the templates and resources to be able to do that. If you check out that live Q&A, I walk through some of the templates that I give you in Canva to help you to create a very beautiful professional brand and how to use those templates in Canva to make everything from create your lead magnet all the way to all of your landing page. If you're holding a workshop, it's got all of your workshop templates and slide decks for you, and also has the social media templates as well to be able to market that. So not only am I giving you branding included in that, but I'm giving all the templates to be able to online course when you're ready to launch and offer your next program. So that is all included in the $27 a month VIP membership. I will drop the link below so you can check out the sales page and see the different various options for you. Premium is $97 a month. And for $97 a month, you're also getting everything that's in the starter plan. Plus, you also are getting multiple different courses. Plus, every single month, we're going to have another workshop coming out to you that's going to help you along the next step of your journey. We're going to be going over from how to create your lead magnet. And I gave you the templates for how to create the email automation once people opt into your lead magnet, and then how to be able to nurture them and convert them into your offers. So we'll be going over that all the way to building your sales pages and doing the various marketing techniques, from whether you're blogging, doing YouTube marketing, marketing on your website, marketing on social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, Pinterest. Like, we do it all. And we'll have courses inside the hub to walk you through every single step of the way and have the various options for you. So that's just $97 a month. And that also comes with monthly live Q&A sessions where you can pre-submit your questions, or you can come live to our Q&A sessions and get all of your questions answered and get time with me in that group setting, essentially like one-on-one. Or you can also book a get it done call with me, where you can book in a strategy session with me to work on implementing any of these pieces that you need help with in your business, as well as you can hire me to be able to do done for you services where I help you build out all of this, whether it's your online course, it's your marketing, it's your sales funnels, sales pages, workflows, any of that on Tech. Then we have the VIP option as well, where you get everything that's in the starter plan, everything that's in the pro plan, plus you get 12 months access to my Course Creators Academy, which is my signature course that teaches you how to create an online course, how to design, develop, and deliver a profitable online course, coaching program, or membership, as well as my signature course launch system, which teaches you how to create your signature system so you can scale your business into multiple different products and services. You get 12 months access to that, as well as a VIP community. If you have any questions, drop that below, but that's just a little taster of what we covered in the live Q&A session. It was really, really exciting. So much more to come. And I'm excited to be part of this journey with you and helping you to be able to build, grow, and scale your wildly profitable and successful online courses, coaching programs, and membership businesses.